Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel and I hope you are doing well. In this tutorial video, I'm gonna show you that the flower design in Illustrator. So let's start the video, and if you are new on my channel then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, we make the background black. Then press Ctrl 2 to lock the background. And then we make the flower shape. Hold Shift and Alt key to make it bigger manually. And then we choose the color from swatches. And increase the stroke. And then we will round the corners of this star by quick selection tool. And then we give the gradient color to it. So in the shocking pink color we add the black color. And change these settings. So and with the rotate tool we make the copy of it. So then press Ctrl D to repeat the step. Select all of these and then press Ctrl C to copy and press Ctrl F to paste in front, then rotate it. And again we repeat the same step. And then we make the ellipse in the center, so hold Shift and Alt key to make it bigger manually. So here you can see that our flower design is done. Then hold Alt key and drag it to make a color of then hold Alt key and drag it to make a copy of it, and let's change the color to parrot. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will be right back with another